Alright, today I'm going to see if I can change the carburetor on the Echo PE-2000. The bulb is broken, as you can see. Pretty dirty, so I'm going to see if this old thing, see have life on it. Everything seemed to be in order, so I'm just going to turn it off. I bought a kit from Amazon, 2 bulbs, spark plug, some fuel line, a fuel filter, and the filter, and the carburetor itself. Let's see how this goes. Alright, let's get to it. First off, take the cap off. Sorry, it's a little shaky. But we see. I empty all the fuel out. Here's the old filter, pretty dirty. Not too bad actually, because this is a new one. So I'm gonna use that just because it's new. I'm gonna take off these 2 screws there, so I'm gonna take those off. Push to the side. See what I'm doing. Okay, that's out. So I put that to the side. There's some fuel line here. It seemed to be okay. Not too that bad. So I'm just gonna try to keep that intact and keep. Oh, this one's pretty hard. Actually, that one's really hard. I might change it out actually. It's pretty hard right here, this fuel line. So I might just change out the whole thing. But take off the throttle, and this is the whole carburetor here that I'm going to replace with the broken primer bulb. So I'm going to go ahead and just take this off. I'll take the fuel line off. Yeah, it's pretty stuck on there actually. I'll take this cap off actually. Just gonna cut this cap off. Put it to the side, and I'm gonna take this guy completely out. There you go. Looks like I can just pull this guy out. Oh, there's a little. It's a little wire here. You can tell. It's attached to this. Make it a little harder to pull out. So I'll just pull it out with some little force. Okay, that's done. That's guys done. A little dirty. I should wear gloves, but a little too late now. So now I can put this guy back in. Oh, look, it just fits right in. And then now this guy. This is a replacement grommet. It's a tight fit, so I'm gonna see if I can just squeeze it in there. The before, it looks to be the same size as that one. It's actually pretty tight, so I'm gonna try to fit this in. I have a little bit of trouble here. I'm gonna use this to push it down. Got the grommet on, and I'm gonna work on the carburetor. Too bad. There's still this one little piece from the old gasket on here that I want to clean off. There you go. Alright. It's good. So clean off. Take the old gasket off. I got the grommet mostly in. This goes underneath here, air out, and then I'm gonna reattach everything. This is the pump line. This is the return line. Sorry. Hope you can see what I'm doing. I'll turn it this way a little bit so you guys can see. Okay. That's the return line. Alright, I'm gonna put it back. It's gonna be easier. Let's do it like this. Get everything in the screw, even this gasket, so it all lines up appropriately. There you go. Can you still see what I'm doing? Okay, now I can just put it in to these screw holes. There we go. Now put the throttle back on the nut here. Okay. Throttle on. Okay, there we go. So everything should be in place now. So I'm gonna put it back into place. And tight these guys. Okay. There you have it. New carb is on. Throttle's back on. Screw is on. Here's the line for the thing. This does look like it's angled differently than my previous carburetor. I'm changing the spark plug too. Just so the spark plug is 3.5 inches. This thing, so I'm gonna just take it off. All right, take it off. Pretty dirty, pretty old. So I'm gonna get rid of that. Put a new one on, brand new. Probably cheap, but still brand new. Change it out. Hand screw with my hand. Okay, there we go. And I'm gonna tighten it. It'll be super tight, but you know, just one good hand. All right, now I'm gonna put this back on the cord. I'm gonna put the filter back on. New filter, and easy like this. Yeah, there you go. Duh. That's being done. All right. Filter's on. Okay, I'm gonna add some fuel to it. Some mixed fuel to it. Sure. Alright. Okay. Let's give this guy a go, right? Oh, there you go. 1, 2. Alright, pump a little bit on cold start. Okay, let me just put this on the ground so you guys can see what's going on. So looks like it's good. Okay. The throttle seems to be working. Okay, we got run. That's cool. Now I'm gonna put it on run. Yep, that's seeing it how it worked. Not bad. Only took me what, probably 20 minutes because of the stupid grommet thing. But you can see this is the old parts. Old carb, grommet, fuel line, really hard, fuel filter, spark plug, air filter, gasket. I only got one, supposed to be 2 of them. I actually had 2 extra. permanent bulb there I can use later. That's it.